Coconut water, the miracle remedy from nature. Did you know that coconut water can fight cancer, heart disease, diabetes, dementia, inflammation, oxidative stress, and a lot of other chronic diseases? Stay there until the end to learn the scientific knowledge about the healing powers of coconut water, the most pure, hydrating, nutritious, and healing natural remedy. Hi, I'm Dr. Eduardo Corassa, a clinical nutritionist from Brazil that has saved his own life through lifestyle medicine called natural hygiene. And also, I'm happy to announce that 4 of my 10 books published in Portuguese are now translated to English and available on ebook and print on demand. So the hygienic fasting, nature surgery, the anti-cancer diets, the lifestyle that fights cancer, the Eden's diets, the guide to raw frugivorism, the original diets, and natural delicacies, cooking without a stove, are the perfect start for your new health journey, for a healthier, better, more longevity version of you. And unfortunately, because I teach lifestyle medicine, the podcast doesn't have any sponsors because there's no money in producing health. There's money in supplements, there's money in therapies, surgeries, treatments, but teaching lifestyle medicine, there is no company wanting to sponsor us. So I ask for your help for free. You can comment below, share the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button for notification. You help YouTube to deliver more our content to you and to other people. And I also provide consultations online and in private sessions. There is the Raw Food Detox Retreats here January and July in Rio de Janeiro. 4 blocks from a beautiful beach, a tennis court on the yard, 350 rare fruit trees, and the best education on lifestyle medicine in the world, in my humble, if I dare to say. And also 6 online courses, but they're still in Portuguese. So if you want to help the work grow, to help other people, and also help yourself, I highly suggest you to go in the description below for our website or for our WhatsApp. I will ask our editor to put here the recipes from the retreat. Besides the culinary, there's the practical application and also the scientific lectures. I hope you like the video. So, what is coconut water? Coconut water is the final product of the coconut palm, a such beautiful and nutritious tree that gives us even 100 coconuts per year, that has the most pure and nutritious water you can find on the planet. Because the coconut can throw its roots really down under the earth to seek for water and to retain this rainwater and synthesize nutrients from the soil, the carbohydrates from the photosynthesis, and concentrate these nutritious compounds inside the coconut. So, before we talk about the benefits, in the end, I will talk how to consume the coconut water for healing purpose. But coconut water is low in calories, has vitamins, minerals, phytonutrients, phytohormones, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. So all these nutrients act in our bodies to produce health. They're called bioactive compounds, these phytonutrients, that can actually have anti-cancer properties, anti-diabetes properties. So we're going to learn a little bit more about each disease right now. So first of all, we have to talk about cardiovascular disease. Why? Because 40% of every human that dies in this planet every year dies from cardiovascular disease. So it's from utmost importance that we fight this silent killer that is easy to fight, but we are still choosing to eat junk food instead of planting more coconuts and drinking more coconut water. So coconut water has research that proves benefits in animals and in humans that can reduce hypertension in only 2 weeks of humans drinking coconut water. That in a randomized clinical trial compared to a control group that didn't drink coconut water. That means it acts like a remedy, similar to blood pressure pills, and is also rich in potassium, really rich in potassium, like every fruits and vegetables. So it helps to prevent strokes and arrhythmias, That means that the heart is pumping in the wrong manner. Helps to balance sodium levels, relax blood vessels, and promote better blood flow. That's one of the main reasons of cardiovascular disease, because the blood cannot flow easily. So when we have what we call vasoconstriction and vasodilation. So the blood vessels are like muscles. They contract and relax, contract and relax. So when we consume more plants, they can do their function better in several different ways, like better production of nitric oxide, the gas that vasodilates our arteries. There's less inflammation, so the blood vessels are more flexible, and there's a lot of other ways. So second of all, for sure, is blood sugar and diabetes. So a lot of people don't know that chronic high blood sugar damages all of our bodies. Damage the arteries, damage our eyes, damage the kidneys. It actually causes amputations, damage your reproductive system, causing erectile dysfunction. So it's really important to maintain a normal blood sugar. And coconut water helps you to do that. First of all, it's low in the glycemic index, so it doesn't raise your blood sugar too much. Provides proper hydration. That is important for the metabolism and the glycemic control. The more dehydrated you are, the higher the blood sugar you have. And for sure, coconut water contains L-arginine that helps to improve insulin sensitivity. That is the cause of diabetes, right? The insulin resistant. So in animal studies, coconut water has been shown to reduce blood sugar and prevents oxidative stress. That is one of the main causes of diabetes. Look at this research on coconut water and type 2 diabetes. So coconut water can improve HbA1c, glycated hemoglobin, can reduce blood sugar, and change a lot of other biomarkers like liver function enzymes, serum creatinine, lipid profile, that means reduces your fat in the blood like cholesterol and triglycerides, without causing any side effects like drugs. And for sure, this arginine also can help to increase insulin sensitivity and maintain blood glucose homeostasis. That means balance the blood sugar on your blood. Have a better equilibrium of your blood sugar, because your blood sugar shouldn't fluctuate too much. You don't want too high, you don't want too low. So look at what the research suggests. This natural drink is thought to help prevent and treat various health diseases, include hypolipidemic, that means excess or too little fat in the blood, cardioprotective, protects the heart, protects the liver, antioxidants, and antithrombotic effect. That means doesn't cause thrombus, don't cause embolism. I don't know the exact word in English. Lowering heart rate, blood pressure, improve hydration status and physical performance, reduce obesity, inflammatory gene expression, and improve diabetic conditions. That means these bioactive compounds in coconuts, instead of acting like a drug, for example, the drug for cholesterol, it helps to reduce one enzyme that produces cholesterol. Instead of that, the coconut water or fruits and vegetables act in multiple pathways. That means reduce the blood sugar, improves enzymes, improves hormones, improves the microbiome, improves your brain. It's unbelievable what these bioactive compounds can do, and we're underestimating them, eating junk food and don't relying on nature for our own medicine. So yes, coconut water and renal health and detoxification. A lot of people don't know that the kidneys are one of the main organs of detoxification, but the kidneys depends on water, depends on hydration to function properly and to help the detoxification. Also the liver as well, as we call these detox phase 2 enzymes that depends on also on phytonutrients, the nutrients inside of the coconuts, inside of the fruits and vegetables, for example, right? So coconut water's diuretic properties help the kidneys to excrete toxins and also to prevent the formation of kidney stones, preventing crystal deposition in the kidneys. Fourth, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Yes, chronic inflammation and oxidative stress are one of the two main causes of all these modern chronic diseases like cancer, heart disease, diabetes. And what are the best anti-inflammatory foods? Fresh plants. These compounds are really sensitive, what we call labile, photolabile, thermolabile, heat labile. So these nutrients inside of the plants are really like babies. If you heat them too much, if you expose them too much to oxygen, to light, you end up damaging them. So we have to take really good care of the plants we're going to eat because these remedies inside of them are sensitive. So we don't want to cook them for 2 hours in an oven. We want to eat them as fresh as they are. So coconut water is rich in ascorbic acid, for example, vitamin C, phenolic compounds, cytokinins that can help lower inflammation markers and scavenge these free radicals out of our bodies, protecting cellular health. So yes, fourth aspect is metabolic and gut health. What we don't know is every metabolic function in our bodies depends on proper hydration that supports metabolism, supports gut health, because, for example, your stools to be formed and to be thrown out of your bodies, they depend on water. So it's highly important that you drink the most pure water in the planet. A lot of people underestimate this, but we can drink H2O and we can drink H3O. This structured water that comes within the fruits and vegetables that we eat is too important for our health, because when we take a look at it, we know that plants act as green livers, as the scientific literature suggests. Plants actually filter toxins out of the environment to neutralize these toxins like a liver. But it's the liver from the plants that they don't have liver actually, right? It's pretty complex biological mechanisms, but we can understand that plants purify any kind of toxins through them. So they are the best filter on the planet. So the plant that contains the most water and the most pure water is, of course, the coconut. We should be worshiping coconuts and planting a lot more coconut trees throughout the planet, so every person can drink coconut water pretty cheap. So for sure, the coconut sugar, the enzymes, the electrolytes support gut health and actually have prebiotic effects, feeding our gut microbiota. The last but not least, coconut has anti-cancer properties. Like this research suggests, coconut water is famous for helping fight against cancer, cardiovascular disease, neuronal diseases, mental diseases, metabolic diseases, in several different in vitro and in vivo studies inside of a test tube. So the research comments the current strategy of development of drugs is too costly, it's too expensive, and takes too much time. And we know that 1/3 of all remedies in the planet comes from plants. And we know that these plants actually have pharmacological properties. So fresh fruits, vegetables, nuts and seeds, coconut, they all act like remedies. So why not invest more time and energy and money on plants that are the remedies that evolved with us for millions of years, instead of investing in synthetic compounds that cause collateral side effects, that cause spending of money, and can sometimes even some remedies can cause death. But, so yes, the research shows that coconut water helps to fight cancer in several different ways. But for sure, for last but not least, we need to know how to consume the coconut water and the level of ripeness. First of all, you have young or immature coconuts with only 5 to 6 months in the tree. They have less coconut flesh, they have more water, but the water is not as sweet. Second of all, you have more mature coconuts. From 8 to 9 months, they have more of a soft layer of coconut flesh, they have less water, more sweeter water, and the flesh is more dense. and you have the mature coconut. After 1 year on the tree, it gets like that brown rusk, so it can produce and grows another coconut. It's not a different coconut, it's the same coconut, just in different stages of ripeness. And that one, it contains even less water, less sweet water, but the coconut pulp is way too more concentrated. So it's good to make sweets out of it. Like for example, I do, so I have a pumpkin dessert that I already showed here in the channel that I use the dried coconut. So if you want coconut milk, for example, you can do even with the softy jelly like. So different kind of stages of the coconut can be used in different recipes or in different ways, but coconut is medicine, it's natural medicine. It is one of the greatest gifts God and the plant kingdom has given to us. So we have to worship and give thankful, be thankful, and for sure, consume, use it, abuse it. Drink your coconut waters. I can say for myself, I have been drinking coconut waters for almost 20 years now. Every day, 2 coconut waters a day in average. Sometimes if I go to Europe, I may not have access to coconut water, but when I'm here in Brazil, usually most of the places I have a lot of coconuts. So if you can, don't waste your money on beer or any kind of other drinks. The best drink on the planet, for sure, in my humble opinion, and scientific literature starts to suggest, is the coconut water. So if you like the video and you like our work, please don't forget to share the video, comment below, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button for notification. And also, if you want my help as a clinical nutritionist, I can help you through consultation, online and in private sessions. My 4 published books, you can access them through the links below. And also, come for a retreat in Brazil here with us. And there's the online courses that will still be translated to English. And if you also want to help our work, you can become a member of the channel for a small donation every month. Click these videos to know more. And remember, health is produced by healthful living. Much frugal health. See you next time.